Hi, welcome to the market view for Wednesday, the 2nd of April 2014. And starting off with the daily chart, we can see that the law of averages took over and prices moved lower during yesterday's session. I just removed all of the other fibs so I could draw some new ones in just to make things a little clearer for you. So I'm just going to mark just below the low of this bar twice. And the reason for that is there's no other high to draw off, just to show you where the market came back to, and it came back to the 76% there during yesterday's trading session. And you see the market's finding support there at the moment. It seems an odd place to draw a fib, but they are incredible tools. And you can draw them from anywhere and find the support and resistance. This type of fib measuring that I actually do, I just call them rolling fibs, and I'll just roll back. So for example, if the market continues lower, I would just go from this low to this high, and again it allows me just to see where the market's going to find some sort of support as it makes its way lower. And what you would normally do, the convention is that you would go from the low to the high, and this would be the sort of retracement area. Because the market's trading in sort of small movements at the moment, this is a great way of being able to find where the next support is likely to be. So I can use this rolling fib type of approach to actually find out where the market will stop. And again, you can see what happened yesterday. I'll just remove that line there, and you can see that we're stuck on this sort of from this high from the high of here to this low and to this low. Gives us the area where the market struggled with yesterday. So a very useful tool in determining where the market is likely to stop. And if we have a look at the 30-minute chart for yesterday, we can see the market gave a potential sell signal. We already knew that we had 6 days in the background of an up move, so we're due for a correction in the market moving lower. So the sell signal was given and the market moved down a maximum, which we'll just use the pip measuring tool. We'll come off the entry point down to the low there. You can see 33 pips was the maximum available there on the downside, down to the S1 support there for yesterday. So again, there was a lot in the background that we spoke about yesterday, and we see the market moving lower and trading back to the downside there for 30 pips on this particular trade. The market has been sideways ever since, and is stuck in a bit of a sideways consolidation phase, really waiting for whatever news is going to be released today. Let's just have a look at the 60-minute before we have a look at the news. You can see there the market also moving lower during yesterday's session. The market started off higher, those of you that were around at 6 in the morning, but then put in the sell signal and then move lower. And at the moment we have a potential short which hasn't been filled as well. So we've got today, let's have a look, anything of any. We've had the house price inflation out for nationwide. Let's have a look at the high impact GBP. We've got construction PMI out, showing a possible increase in this at 9:30, and then really there's MPC Conliffe to speak at 12:45 for the UK, and then we've got the non-farm payroll. So this is the biggie for today. You don't want to be in the market when this one's released. This is out at 1:15 today, so be warned on this one. You don't really want to be in the market. The market may be quiet actually as it waits for this figure then, because this is the main attraction for the day. This is what they will all be waiting for, to see what state this puts the US in, if the unemployment figures have actually dropped or risen, as to whether Yellen goes for more QE and stops the tapering. So a big day for the non-farm payrolls. Well, that's about it for today. There's not a lot else to report. Say the market's sideways at the moment. Hopefully we get a bit of a move this morning. A few pips in the bag before we get the non-farm payroll figures, but we'll just have to wait and see what the market does. Well, that's it for today. All things being equal, I will see you in tomorrow's market view. In the meantime, have a great day, and as ever, thank you for your support and also for watching.